Imagine turning micro movements in the NASDAQ market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping NASDAQ futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Good morning, Timbo. Good morning, Moses. How are you guys this morning? Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. I am flat. There's been nothing happening. I did have one trade I could have taken, but it was pretty close to where I would break even. Surprisingly, it actually pushed through. It was like a trade right underneath the prior close and prior open, which can provide pretty heavy resistance. So I did not take it. But yeah, that's pretty much it so far, to be honest. I might have missed that one. 314. Uh-oh. Whoa, I didn't say to get in there. Whatever. And I forgot to freaking turn off the auto liquidate on Top Step. I don't know how I got in there. That's not where I told it to click in, but you know, whatever. It still worked out. Oh, you guys can't even see. Oh, I think that's because the Top Step account is over there. That's fine. Well, I got into a trade right here. Somehow it put me in like down here somewhere, I think. But either way, I got a full win out of it. So I guess it's whatever. We do have low impact news coming up at 9 o'clock. You're eyeing the 179 level? Okay. Let's see, 1, 2. I now have the news back on the screen up there for you guys. I finally switched my overlay around to where you guys can finally see the news again. And then I also have the clock there, which should help as well. I am Central Standard Time, because I know sometimes watching the playback it's very difficult to see the time at the bottom of the screen. So how was you guys' weekend? The extended weekend. I didn't do much. Valentine's Day I had to watch my babies so their parents could go out to dinner. I feel like I did something Saturday. What I did, I don't really remember, but I did something. I did something. I just cannot remember for the life of me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. What did I do? Oh, Saturday I spent time with my best friend and her kids, or her family, because her husband was there as well. And Sunday, I think I studied a little bit. I don't remember. And then I studied a little bit yesterday too. I didn't really have much. It's just one particular divergence setup that I have not really figured out yet. Um, and yeah, that's really it. Already out. We'll see what happens. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? Oh, it was your birthday yesterday? Happy belated birthday. What did you do? You just need to be green so you can keep the momentum going. I'm weak. Oh man, happy belated birthday. All right, so my first trade did not get copied to the Top Step accounts because I always forget to turn the freaking auto liquidate off, but it's cool. It's all good. Mhm. 687. Okay, well, I was looking for a sale, but the market had its own plans. That's just fine. All right. I do have to stop at 858. Alrighty. Let's see. Cool. If this next trade wins, I'm gonna have to change my charts around a little bit. I think. Is it the next one? No, it might be the one after that. Yeah, it might be the one after that. Yeah, one after that. And 72, 374. Oh, that's why. Well, that sucks. I don't know why that happened. Whatever. All right, we're at the major support level right now. As of right now, I don't take sales there. So nice dumpage this morning. It was. It definitely was. You should have held the 179 level. Good morning, Janelle. How are you? We missed you. How are you? How have you been? All right, let's see if we can push past this support level, or if we use all of this as resistance and head back down, which is likely looking at the dump on the 5-minute chart. This could just be coming up just to push back down. So let's see what happens. Or we could create more of a pullback. Let's see. 50% would be around 241. We're already at the 23.6. All right. This area is more risky. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Oh, we have an extra speaker in there. I don't remember seeing that last night. Or maybe. Oh, yes, I did, because I had it written down. All right, we also have a speaker at 9:20. Oh, it was 4. I don't know why I thought it was 3. Oh. It might stop me out. What? I'm gonna get stopped out on my leader, but I got TPs on the followers, I think. Whichever ones actually got tagged in. Oh, I guess I'm not gonna get stopped out. Okay, that works too. Came very though. Literally one tick away from stopping me out. 1575, 1550. Yeah, came one tick from stopping me out. All right. Works for me, I guess. Was I tagged into? Hold on, you guys. I'm trying to see something. So I was tagged in on $57. Long. I thought I wasn't tagged into the Top Step accounts, but I was. But some way, somehow, they got $45 take profits instead of 90 or 80. Yeah, instead of 90. I don't know. The copier is still kind of messed up a little bit. Joel from Affordable Indicators did reach back out to me and let me know that he knows what the issue is and he's working on it. And he said that he's going to try to have it done by the end of February. I forgot to message him back actually. So because the copier still is kind of doing its own thing sometimes, what I'm going to do is always have whichever account is closest to passing. This sounds very weird because I normally don't do it this way. I normally choose the account that's furthest away from passing as my leader. But with it messing up like that, what I don't want to happen is copier issues cause me to be further away from passing my closest passing account. If that makes sense. That will really actually piss me off. So whichever account is closest to passing will always be my leader. And then if or when it passes, then I'll just have to switch the copier around. I'd rather do that than risk my account that's closest to passing. So, take care of some personal stuff. Understood. You took a loss last week on crew. I got you. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? And yes, I am nice and green so far. I think I've taken 4 trades, which actually means I should have been taken out. No, I've taken 3 trades. 3 trades. I'm doing 2 contracts per trade right now. Just kind of go like that. You just got ticked out. Thank you, Moses. Thank you. I almost got ticked out my dang on self right here. Almost. Oh, 0.25 from your take profit. Good morning, Paul. How are you this morning? Good morning. All right. We are now clear to trade again. Oh, it's freezing. All right, we got equal volume of these swings, so I'm not taking the pullback here. So I'll wait for the next trade. $207, which this be. Oh gosh, wait a minute. All right, I gotta flatten. And it's because of the Apex account. That should have been a full win on the other accounts, but I had to flatten because they no longer had take profits because I just passed my Apex account. Yippee! Funded goal was executed on 1 or more accounts. Your account should now be flat. We are funded. All right, so let me switch things around again. 06.95. Which I think is the account over there. All right, hold on. I have to change my copier around. Unlock, damn it. All right, so we'll make 06.95 the leader. Like that. Still kind of annoying, but whatever. I rather take the break evens on, well, I actually lost a couple of dollars, like $30 on each of the followers, but I rather do that because I had to flatten than F up that account. So just kind of is what it is. All right. So Apex account is passed. Yay. Wait. Why is Nightbot removing your... What did you do? Hold on. All right, Nightbot has got to chill out a little bit. Where's San at? I didn't see San. Oh, now I could see. Good morning, San. How are you this morning? Good morning. Good morning. All right. Ah, that was my trade right there. Oh, maybe not. All right. Was it? Oh, no, it wasn't. Nightbot is on your head. Oh, yeah, that was not a trade because that hit that right there. All right, thought I was tripping. I was not. I'm glad I didn't try to get into that. All right, we got the speaker. Why is my volume so damn low? Oh, because it's super low on NinjaTrader only. All right. Good morning, Apple Jacks. Why am I flipped? Oh, I'm like, what are you talking about? It's because I wanted to be able you are so funny. I wanted to be able to show the news up there like I used to, and the only way for me to do that was to flip myself. Actually, I think I could put it back to where it was. I feel like it looks so weird, but yeah, that's why. Not you gonna time the night pot out. Thank you, Janelle. Thank you, thank you. I'm weak. It does look very weird. I'm so used to being on the left. All right. Got the change there. The prior high, prior low is hiding behind this support level right here. So I'm going to stop at 918 for the speaker and restart at 922. All right, so right now I'm about $1,000 away from passing one of the top step accounts and then about 1,200 on the other top step and the TPT accounts. What I'm hoping is that I do pretty well this week and I can pass the remaining 3 now, so that I can start trading fundeds next week. I really don't want to trade my funded accounts until I pass all the evals. It's just, yeah. And what I'll probably do my first day of the fundeds is just trade 1 contract a piece just to get the PA jitters out, which I don't really have, but just in case I do. Just in case. Yes, trenches. Yes. Still haven't really figured out how to, I just don't think I can do it. I've been trying my hardest to find what volume pattern works well for this particular like pullbacks. Nothing works right now. The higher high to higher low to lower high. This is a no interest reversal basically. Nothing works so far. Counter trend or with the trend. But I'm going to continue to journal it when it does happen during my session and see if at some point I can figure it out. But for now, there's nothing. Like, that's why I didn't really have trades early in the session, because literally everything was those type of reversals. There's another one, there's another one. And then this one actually sent it down finally. But all of these are those kind of reversals as well. This is the divergence I haven't figured out yet. Alright, so the way that it reacted there, we'll have to be both, but I don't know if I have to break even there or not. Oh, that negated that. Had a nice push off of the support level right there, which also is where my major half trend is. This is the pullback I don't like yet. Not Trenchy. What's up with the nicknames, ma'am? Sam BC. You had a great weekend, huh? Actually surprised we have the volume back today. Me too, saying honestly, the way we were moving in the beginning of the session and how we just kept creating the no interest reversals, kind of like in the same little spot. I was like, bro, we're getting nothing today. But once we broke out of there, it's been actually some pretty good movement. All of us get nicknames. What's my nickname? I'm scared to ask. Oh yeah, I need to try something out. Y'all tell me if y'all can hear me cussing, okay? Because good morning, New. How are you this morning? I put this OBS plugin on called Clean Stream. It's supposed to filter out my cussing. Not that I care. Newy. Not that I care about the cussing, but you know, whatever. So y'all tell me if y'all can still hear it, because what I had to do was create a like a 1.5 second delay on the stream in order to do it. So it looks really weird because when I look at my screen over there, it's not happening in real time, and it drives me a little insane because it's like it's kind of how I felt when I got high for the only time I got high in my life. But either way, so y'all tell me if y'all can hear. Damn. Could y'all hear me? Taking a short at 186. Oh, that was a very nice scalp. Did it bleep it out? You're not supposed to hear a sound. It's supposed to just make it go silent. Did y'all hear me? It didn't work? You'll call me. Please. Oh my gosh. It went silent. Not one of the BNT sets. Why is not by Nightbot playing with you today? Oh, Let me take the night bot off because he finna piss me off. I need to hear you curse. Okay, I'll take it off. I am weak. Hold on. I gotta fix this shit finna make me mad. Oh wait, you didn't hear. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, hold on. Let me fix this. Excess emotes. I'm turning it off. What else did you get timed out for? I think it was the. It had to be the only thing. I don't have anything blacklisted. Weak. Oh, it was the excess symbols. Okay, you shouldn't get timed out. First you flipped it up. I'm gonna turn it off. Don't worry. I wanted to see if it worked. Oh my god. Nightbot is coming for Paul, but don't worry, Paul. I turned off the things. You got timed out for the excessive symbols because you put a bunch of exclamations and then the emojis. I turned both of those off. No, Paul, you're fine. I turned it off. I promise. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to turn this filter off too. I wasn't supposed to say something to y'all. I was supposed to just cuss and let y'all tell me, but I wanted y'all to tell me if it was working or not. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Okay, let me turn this off because what's really driving me crazy is my delay. Like, it's driving me nuts. Okay, hold on. All right. Clean stream. Yes, remove it. All right, and then oh my gosh, that was hilarious. All right, I gotta remove the delays. Good to know it works in case I ever need it. Oh my gosh, I am weak. You hear me? Weak. All right, that should be done. I think it's on the P&L as well. Turn off the delays. I had to delay everything so that everything would still sync up. All right, now we're good. No, where's the camera? Because I'm still delayed. Oh, there we go. Am I moving at okay, we're moving at regular speed. Hello. Oh my gosh. All right. We're back normal now with my cussing ass. Oh man. What a time was had. All right. What time is it? Okay, we have to stop for 4 minutes for the speaker. So we're going to do that. I did not miss anything in the process of all of that. What was I about to say? Oh, so this trade right here, I literally just went back through my data this weekend and made this invalid. You can see there's more volume in this swing down than this one, even though the actual swing is smaller. And so initially, because of the volume pattern of the reversal bars, I had it to where like this reversal bar needed either less volume than both of these or more than both of these, plus it needed to be attached to a level. When I had my extended session on Friday, this was the trade that I lost. That very first trade, I think it happened at 10:12. That very first trade, I lost it. And initially I thought, oh, it's because we're, after 10 o'clock, blah, blah, blah. That's not it. Not it at all. Because when I went back through my data, this actually lost as well. I forget what day it was, but it was like 9:33 in the morning. But the only reason I didn't take the trade was because we rotated like this over an upper deviation level on the VWAP. So I thought that the loss was because we were rotating on an upper deviation level of the VWAP, which can be resistance, but that was not it. It was because of that particular volume pattern. And you can see it would have lost here as well, wicked me out just to go exactly where I wanted it to go. So now I know that the first pattern I thought was one of the two that would work does not at all. So I'm glad I went back through that this weekend. Very glad I did. Oh wait, we don't have to restart at 9:22. It's 9:21 since it's low impact. I it's like the ice of string. It is. But now I only have it to where people can't come in here and spam caps, because that's kind of annoying. I watch certain streamers, and like if they, just they didn't see somebody's comment, then they just start spamming the same question over and over in caps, and that drives me crazy. So like, don't yell at me. Oh, wait. I hope Jeanette, all of you ladies, I hope y'all are in here right now, because I have something to tell y'all. Y'all friend created another Discord account and messaged me last night, or yes, it was yesterday sometime, or the day before, I think. The message said, I blocked him. It said, "Hey baby, how are you? Online safety, Aki." I blocked him from the Discord and then proceeded to block him from my inbox because no. All right, I'm not going to take this trade right here only because I want to make sure that, well, shit. I wanted to make sure the rules are still going to work out properly. Let's see what happens. If it wins, I'm okay, but I'm still not sure. See, there's the stop out. You can see there's less volume in this swing than this one. So far, I don't take these trades just yet. I think it still works, but only with one particular volume pattern, and this wasn't one of them. So I was willing to not take them or take the trade, and you see I would have lost. So yeah. Not owe him. I believe we might hit all-time high for NQ this week. We might, the way we're moving. Not hey baby, yes. Paul, yes, I have a stalker. Yes, he is a sociopath. Something's wrong with him. So basically the story is he used to come in here and say certain things that like would irritate all of us, to be honest with you. And so, I would just delete his comments, whatever. Well, he started going completely off the deep end, saying that I was naive and things like that and I guess because of the way he thought I was taking up for Apex, which I never was. You guys know, I call Apex out on their shit all the time. But yeah, and not only did he call me naive, I forgot what word he used, but we're not going to do that. Like, the worst thing anybody can ever do is insult my intelligence. I am a very smart person, very intelligent. And so eventually I just got irritated enough to where I blocked him. He was one of the first people I blocked on my channel. All the other people that are blocked are spammers. And so he was blocked for a while, and next thing you know, he found my other YouTube channel, which has not been active in years, okay, and commented on my channel over there. So then I had to block him over there. And I guess he must realize that he's blocked on those channels as well, or that channel as well, because then he joined the Discord and yeah, and then proceeded to message me. Now I can hear your phone ring and go to your meeting. Moses said, "Get out of here." Man, like, it's just so frustrating. Yeah, he just went nuts. Yeah, his comments were always weird. And We don't have to be that way. We just don't. So yeah. He's probably gonna create more accounts on Discord and do the same thing. And every single time, I didn't even message him back or anything. I just blocked him from the Discord and kept it moving. Like, you had your chance, bud. Like, nobody wants to deal with that. I definitely don't want to deal with that at all. Yeah, Paul, it's insane. Like, so the other thing was, he was completely convinced that Apex was accessing his accounts, and I don't remember if he ever said they were like placing trades or what, but he like said he had all this evidence that Apex was accessing his accounts and all this other stuff. And I'm like, well, they do have it in, kind of every company does. Every company has it in their terms and conditions that they can access your account. Because if they ever decide to copy trade you, whatever, like, and they also have to access your accounts through API to be able to make this talk to the dashboard and things like that. But baby, I just don't know. I thought he was cool. This area is very yeah, it is. Definitely denying the downtrend right now. Let's see what the 5-minute chart looks like. Nasty. Pretty nasty. All right, when's the last time I had a setup? 9:02? I haven't taken a trade since then. I have not. All right. Why not? Oh, we started holding that area, so that makes sense. We're creating no interest reversals, which I still cannot trade. Okay, well, yeah, it makes sense why I haven't had a trade since. This is why I have to figure out if I can get the no interest reversals to work, but so far, I just cannot. Okay. Greater than, which it was not. I'm just going through making sure I didn't miss anything, and I did not. Zigzag's not attached to the correct bar. $1,000. Oh, too much volume here. If it reverses right there. Sounds like you're still. I don't know what's up with him, honey. He needs help. Switching to MNQ and some longs here. What's your target? I did burn me a little. Sellers are in power, yeah. Thinking about shorting at 146. Oh, we already did that. How long are you gonna hold for, Sam? I'm kind of used to dealing with crazies. If you guys did not know, I was a psych nurse for like 8 years. And so I'm kind of used to dealing with people like that. However, I don't want to deal with people like that. So it's like it's totally different when I'm forced to. But when I'm not forced to, I would like to not deal with crazies. Looking for the short if we can oh, never mind, we can't. Scratch that. This is the reversal I don't like. That is literally impossible. I don't remember. Hold on, you guys, because I think I screwed up on my cheat sheet. Oh, something I looked at yesterday. I think I forgot to remove something. Oh, I didn't forget. Okay, good. Good. Greater than that. All right, pretty hard push off of the extended support level. I didn't realize we were that far extended. That's the first extended support level. Not only did we push off of that, but there was also a new low which creates some support as well. And I probably just screwed myself actually because oh my gosh. I'm so stupid. I forgot this is the actual divergence pattern that I have figured out already. But that's all right. It would have been a break even anyway. Because for now, I still break even at the sell rotation level if I'm getting into a buy. So I'd have had to break even here. So once it got there, it broke even and then took off. I'm still trying to figure out if I need to break even there. But for now, I still do so. No harm, no foul. All right, I want to see how this one works out. This is the pattern I think works counter trend. Yeah. No stew in Apple Jacks. You can see less volume in this swing than this one. This is what I'm still trying to work out. But this is the exact volume pattern that I think actually works. And I have pretty good data for it so far. But again, just trying to make sure that's literally what I want to look for. But it was perfect. This exact change on it. And then probably helped that we had the support level there too. But yeah, all right. Let me go back. Sorry, you guys. Did Trump say something? I don't know. Simulated account rest of the day. Still trying to see how I could work in a low volume market. It's still low volume for you, Sam? Up 227 in the green. I love it. Still not spending Apple Jacks because you got goals. And when you reach them goals, you can get Chick-fil-A whenever you want to. See you, Janelle. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hit 147 for the short. Yeah. Not I do what I want. But yeah, I think what I'm probably going to do when the counter trend move is like that, where there's less volume in the swing up, I think I'm going to have to only stick to this particular pattern right here. This volume pattern was perfect. And I really think that's the only one that's going to end up working out long term. That other one earlier didn't work out. It would have stopped me out like 3 ticks before it moved my stop loss to break even. Excuse me. But yeah, this, wait, not that, up there, down here. Yeah, this is the pattern that seems like it's gonna work out pretty consistently. So once I journal, I'll know for sure. So I'll be able to put things in my little analysis table. You're gonna go from there. So technically, I think these would have been my first 2 trades after the last trade at 902. I don't think I had anything else, but sometimes once I go back and I'm journaling, I'll see that I like missed stuff and I just genuinely didn't realize it. So it had been about 30 minutes since the previous trade. I guess that's not the most horrible. That's the 1 bar pullback. Would have broken even. Oh, you guys can't see. Sorry. I only didn't take this because the break even level's right there. Even though it was like 10 ticks out, 11 ticks out, that's a pretty heavy level. We rarely actually push through it. Maybe if it was like VWAP or something, I would have still taken it, but kind of made no sense to take it to me. There's the push through. Oh, it's about 500 in a 1 minute time zone. Is too risky for me. I got you. I got you. I got you. Good morning, nonstop trader. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. How are you this morning? I should have taken it. Oh, well, no, there's the break even. Still don't know, like when I'm doing counter trend moves like this and we're in the zone, I don't know if I have to break even here or not. So I don't think so. But if I took that, I would have broken even there and it would have hit my break even just to continue going where I wanted it to go. That's the other thing I'm still trying to work out, which levels I have to break even at and which ones I don't. So you can see when it hit here, I would have broken even. This is where my stop loss would have moved to break even, but I already manually did it. So this bar would have taken me out at the break even level to the tick, I think, and then went where I wanted it to go. Like I said, on my little analysis sheet, whenever I break even at a level, I always write it out. So like if I break even at a red or green level, I'll say BE at R for red, G for green. If I break even at a VWAP, I use V, and then right above it, I always say like if it actually would have taken profit, loss, broke even, you know, that kind of thing. So that I know long term which levels I do still have to break even at. But yeah, so this basically would have been 3 break evens in a row here. No, this was a win, sorry. But break even, win, then break even, and break even. So I'm still working that out. We're only the first day into week 3. So it's still just little kinks that I gotta figure out. Now this, I do know I have to break even at the sell pressure line. I know that for sure. Or like if I'm getting into a trade like this for a buy, I absolutely have to break even at that green level, because you think about it, this is a heavy resistance level, right? Or it could be a heavy resistance zone. So naturally speaking, I would break even there. Or like if I'm going in for a sell and we touch the zone, I have to break even there as well. But I don't think I have to break even here. But again, still working the kinks out for it. So we'll see. You're doing well, done for the day. All accounts green. I love it. Nice. Nice job. This actually isn't that bad of a day for a Tuesday. I want to say Monday, but for a Tuesday with really no real news, the day after a holiday on top of that, this actually was a pretty good day. I'm not gonna lie. It was. It was. All right, so what's that? 1, 2, 3. So basically for not having any trades for like 30 minutes, then I basically had 4 trades in like 7 minutes. So that's not bad. Since the last trade was at 9:02, this is like 9:31 right there. Yeah. Not too bad. Why did that draw all the way across like that? Looks crazy. That's how it's supposed to be drawn. All right. Let's see if we can get another trade in before the end of the session, though. We just need to kind of clear the zone, trade up here at the VWAP and support levels. Don't want the bars to kind of rotate on the top of the zone, though. I want us at least to clear it to where only the entry bar would touch it. But we'll see. You miss this type of volume? Same. I was just talking to one of my trading friends last night. She was basically saying, well, I was responding to a message she sent me a couple days ago, but she was saying that like she's been trying to like adapt and adjust to the new markets. And I was just telling her like everybody that I'm connected to in the trading world has been trying to do the same thing. So you're not alone whatsoever. And then I was telling her how, you know, like the volume and the volatility has been so weird. Like you could have a day where there's, let's say 200 to 225,000 volume by 10 a.m. One day there's like very great movement. You can get pretty good scalps in, but then the next time that same 200,000 volume, there's practically no volatility whatsoever, and the market's just choppy. It's not moving very much. And I was telling her, like, for a couple of days after the inauguration, we would see most of our volume and volatility in the morning in that opening 5 minute candle. And then it was just like, all right, I'm done. Figure it out from here. But I don't know. It just seems like a lot of people were, oh, why would you do that? It seems like a lot of people were trading more like pre-market or like evening session, kind of when you don't expect Trump to be awake doing things. It's like when the market was open, no. New York hours was just a no because people were just too afraid that he was just going to say or do something crazy. Hedge fund friends say they're only trading 10 NQ volumes for microscopes. Like, very interesting. Very interesting. What's kind of their normal sizes? Or is it their normal size, but they would typically go for more? What the shit up? I can't take it. You know what? That's not too bad. So the trades that I did not take after 9:30 were basically in the pullback swing of the downtrend, which is pretty nice actually. Because my goal is to be able to trade, like if I look at a time-based chart, I'm able to take trades in the trend and also in the pullback of the trend. Or if it's choppy, just to be able to still be able to trade when the market is choppy. Zigzag's not attached. 18. Otherwise, I would have taken that. It's kind of enough space. Maybe not. Yeah. Would have been a break even. Zigzag wasn't attached properly though. $318. What's the volume there? 308. Ooh, that might stop me out. That's all right. I'm still working on that too. But I want to take them. All right, so that was a less than both. I might end it here actually. We'll see. We will see. $333. If I take another loss, I am going to stop, though. Okay, yeah, we're going to stop for the day. Yeah, I'm going to stop here. Just because I don't really like the movement right now anyway. Or should I stop? Yeah, I don't really like the way the market's moving right now. And since I'm break even on one, down 74 on another, and up 200 on another, I think I'm going to stop. I don't want to keep erasing the rest of what profits I did have. So I'm going to stop here and journal a little bit because I don't really like how this is moving. I don't like it at all. This was a buy, that was a short. Now look. Typically do 100. Oh, goodness. Okay. Yeah, 10 down to 10 from 100 to 250 is a lot. That's a huge change. But yeah, buy, sell right there. I'm really close to not taking these divergences, period, to be honest with you, but I'm still just, again, giving myself grace. I'm still only 3 weeks in. Well, not even. Just went 2 weeks. Today would be the first day of 3 weeks in. So some stuff I probably still just don't have enough data for. That one I know for sure. I just went back over that last night. I felt like I had what I wanted, but I'm still not all the way sure. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. But I think I want to stop, which is something I don't normally do. But I know, like, if I'm in PA, I would stop at this point because why continue to do further damage? I did so well. Those were my first losses, you know? So to go the entire session with wins only, basically, until the last 2 trades, it's time for me to stop. Part of it also, and this is something else I need to look at, which I know I looked at in regards to this, like we're inside where we changed to an uptrend, which means we're kind of resisting it. This still should work out. I already looked over this. Because what tends to happen when we're trading like this is we've created a range. So taking buys here shouldn't be an issue. And then taking sell shouldn't be an issue because technically we've rejected the uptrend. So I'll look at it some more. But see, I'm going to be upset if I stop and then I might take one more trade, maybe. All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop the copier on the take profit account since it's in profit, and I'll take the next trade on my top step accounts. But then if it wins, I'll probably be mad, but that's fine. I'm not going to stop. That's just not in me to stop, honestly. Strategy idea was correct, but need more risk. Yeah. She can go either way at any given time. Absolutely. Definitely went where you thought it was going. Yep, it did. That's what could be extremely frustrating. Like, I'll have it. It's just I'm a little too early or things like that. Yeah, I'm going to actually keep trading. I'm not going to stop. I've always said that, like, my goal is to always take every trade of every session because first of all, that's the only way to have all the data that I need, right? Especially in my online trade journal, because I don't put like missed trades or trades I sit out of. I don't put those in my trade journal. I only let the trades that I actually take go in there. So that's the only way I can have all the data I need, number one. And number two, if you have edge, you have edge. My edge says to keep going, right? So because I'm still in evals, this is the time to take the trades. You know what I mean? Now, like I said, in PA, I would stop. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely would stop. But also when you have good movement and it's working with your strategy, which obviously those two trades didn't, but why stop yourself? Because tomorrow we can have a crappy, choppy day to where I only have 3 setups. So then it was kind of my fault that I didn't take the setups today, or I stopped myself early or whatever the case may be. But who knows? We might actually not even get a setup again. We'll see. Let's see, 210. This actually would help if I went back to doing this. So it's easy for me to identify. But yeah, I might not even actually get another setup. So let's see what happens. Come back it up. Did you say the words come back, Sam? We don't do that. Nah, I'm not gonna come back though. It's cool. I'm not tripping. 10 o'clock is my stop time, no matter what. But the trades that I did take on Friday, though, the losses that I did have, all of them are mitigated now. Every single one. So I guess my strategy does still work after 10 o'clock, but I'm not going to stay here till after 10. But once I figure out the divergences completely, the counter trend divergence, I have that down pat. There's nothing to do with that, I don't think. The counter trend that looks like this, higher high to higher high. Now the lower high to higher high, not so much that one yet. But yeah, we got 4 minutes left, so let's just see what happens. What is this? 210. Like I said, I might not actually get another trade in, so. So we'll just take it on the top sub account if it does show up. And then just knowing that I have some wins that are missing in there, I would still be green regardless of those 2 losses. So, but I am going to figure out if those can be mitigated because I think that they can, to be honest. I think they can. That's crazy. We literally have gone up like 60 points since I got stopped out on the buy down there. Pacific World makes 32K a year. You have over it. Oh, thank you, Sam. You are so sweet. Thank you. Yeah, I know I'll get it. And like I told you guys, since I started doing volume only, I can tell this is what I'm going to stick to. It's just certain things I know I need more data for, which is gonna take time. It's fine. I mean, I'm pretty sure the way I have the pullbacks is exactly what they're gonna be, which is good. All right, so 762. We did touch the VWAP there. All right. It's a pretty heavy push down though. We would need to stall inside of this bar for a little minute for me to take the buy. We are very close to my stop time too. It's probably gonna push up before there's enough traction for it. Kind of need a little buildup of volume there first. All right, yeah, that's it. I was waiting to see if that one worked out. All right, let me unlock everything. Oh, why did I do that? Okay, give me a second. EA personal sim. All right, let me show you guys the accounts so I can head on out of here. Journals, see what we can do to mitigate those losses, because I did not like them. Did not like them at all. Oh, I forgot. That's ass. Okay, hold on. I forgot because I changed. Give me a second. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so here's where we are for the day. Some people do not make 600. That is absolutely true. I'm very grateful. Trust you me. I am getting very close to my goals. That is for sure. All right, so here we are with the accounts, made a total of $800 across the different accounts. Unfortunately, the last two trades kind of fucked my shit up, but that's okay. I executed, and that's what's most important. Also, we passed the Apex account, which, listen, this is the account that was close to like one trade from passing like 3 or 4 times. And then we had the copier screw up and some other shit. Okay, so I am very happy that account is now done. This account has been through the ringer. So coming into today, I actually was 4 trades away, and because I won the first 4 trades, we got funded. There's also some profit missing in the follower accounts just because I had to manually stop out when, you know, this account hit funded. And then also on the Top Step accounts, for whatever reason, on I think 1 or 2 of the take profits, instead of it being $90, it was 45 because the copier has a mind of its own sometimes. But overall, not a bad day whatsoever. I had a lot of opportunities. If I look at, give me a second. Let me go to the trade performance. All right, so total I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 6 trades. I technically won 4 and then lost the last 2. So yeah, not a bad day whatsoever. Thank you. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Messing up my wash. You leave me alone. But yeah, so I'm gonna go journal, see what I could do about those. I'll let you guys know when I post in the P&L room. I thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.